Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the Lakshadweep Administrator Praful Koda Patel moods proposal to shift High Court jurisdiction from Kerala to Karnataka. Is it possible to shift the High Court jurisdiction? If possible, under which act this can be done, or which article provides a power to shift the High Court jurisdiction from one state to another? This we are going to discuss in this video. Also, we are going to discuss why Save Lakshadweep a trend is going on Twitter, which are the contentious points regarding Praful Koda Patel in Lakshadweep, why people are against Praful Koda Patel. Also, we are going to discuss some basic points of a High Court and also the territorial jurisdiction of various high court in this video. So let us begin with the background. In background, we have seen that Dineshwar Sharma, who was the administrator who died last year in December 2020. After that, Praful Koda Patel was appointed as a administrator of a Lakshadweep. Okay, so from that he has passed three contentious regulations, which are the first one is the Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation 2021, also known as LDAR, is yet to implement, which give the administrator the power to remove or relocate the people from their property for town planning and any development activities. So this is the contentious regulations. The people are against this regulation because it's the question of their livelihood. Okay, the second is the Gunda Act, also known as the Prevention of Anti-Socialist Activities Act, PASA, which has been implemented from January 2021, under which a person can be detained without any public disclosure for a period up to 1 year. Okay, the third act is the Draft Panchayat Notification, where a member with more than 2 children is disqualified from being a member of the Panchayat, and also the beef ban. 90% Muslim population is there in Lakshadweep. Under animal prevention regulation, we cannot transport, sell or buy directly or indirectly the beef. If you found the guilty, you can get the prison term up to 5 years, minimum 5 years and maximum up to 10 years, and fine up to minimum 1 lakh and maximum up to 5 lakh. So this is the background. The people started agitation against this regulation and they have started Save Lakshadweep trend on Twitter. Now let us discuss some basic points of a High Court. Every High Court consists of a Chief Justice and such other judges as a President may from time to time deem necessary to appoint. Thus, the Constitution does not specify the strength of the High Court. This is very important as a prelim point of view, and leaves it to the discretion of the President. So according to the President determines the strength of the High Court from time to time depending upon its workload. Now let us discuss under which act or article the High Court jurisdiction can be shifted. The Constitution of India provide a High Court for each state. This is very common. But the 7th Amendment Act of 1956 authorized the Parliament to establish a common High Court for 2 or more state or a state and a union territory. So, under 7th Amendment Act of 1956, Parliament has the authority to establish a common High Court. So, the common High Court, Bombay, has the territorial jurisdiction of Maharashtra, Dadra, Nagar and Haveli, Goa, Daman and Diu. So, Kolkata has the jurisdiction over West Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar. Guwahati has the jurisdiction of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. Kerala has the jurisdiction of Kerala and Lakshadweep. So these are very important. Now we can discuss the Article 241, which states that the Parliament may by law constitute a High Court for a union territory or declare any court in any such territory to be a High Court for all or any of the purposes of this Constitution. This is according to Article 241. In same article, the section 4 mentions that nothing in this article derogates from the power of Parliament to extend or exclude the jurisdiction of the High Court for a state to be or from any union territory. So this is the act The 7th Amendment Act of 1956 authorized the Parliament to establish the Common High Court, and the Article 241 states that the Parliament may, by law, constitute a High Court for a Union territory or declare any court in any such territory to be High Court of for any or for all. Okay, and under this same article, Section 4 state that nothing in this article derogates for the power of Parliament to extend or exclude the jurisdiction of the High Court for a state to or for any union territory. So this is all about. Thank you.